All right, today we're going to try out the salad shooter and see how she works. All right, salad shooter, this is what comes in the box. 4 of these cutters. 2 of them are shredders. 1 is a super shredder and 1 is a slicer. So slicer, I would say that these are ripplers. Let's call them ripplers. Like, you know, when you shred your little carrots. This is really still a shredder. I don't know why they don't call it shredder. And this is ripples too. This is, you know, makes little ripples. But this one here is supposed to be a super shredder. You can see how tight it is right there. Comes all the way down, so you get these 1, 2, 3, 4. You get like lines of stuff. This one here is you're going to get a thick deal, and this one here is going to rip it all apart like you do with the regular shredder. And this one gives you the huge slices. All right, that's it. Bam, done. All right, so here we are, the salad shooter. We'll bring her back over here. And it's very simple. It's got simple parts. This is the electric body with a motor in it. If you look in there, you're going to see this has a couple little nodules. This thing right here, the tapered end, you got 2 nodules. It's very simple. You just slip it in, twist it, and it locks. Bam. All of these have this 6-sided little thing here. If you look in there, it just sets right in, just like that. Has a collar, a little nub there, a little nub here. Whoops, let's see how easily that comes out. All you do is put the collar on, twist the nub, locks it. You want to put that thing on, you can do that, shoot your thing in. Right here, you just shove that in, bam, Bob's your uncle. Now to take it apart, it's very simple. Pop, 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 and this one's a little bit, doesn't want to come out. Interesting. Seems like it's stuck. Oh, there we go. So that was a little nerve-wracking. Anyway, salad shooter. All right, so to put it together, you're going to notice right in here, there's 2 little notches, and down deep in it, it slides over. If you look on here, you're going to see there's 2 little notches. So the tapered side, all right, goes in. And you see these 2 notches right here? They're the ones that are going to fit right in those notches. So if I slide this in like that and twist it, it's in. Bam, done. Come out, go in. I'm doing it with one hand because I'm filming with the other. That's how you do it. Got to get a little pressure on it. And that locks it in, bam. All of these are simple. There's a little like hexagon thing here. It's a 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, right? And if you look down in there, you'll see there's a little spot for that to slip into. So when you put these in, this thing right here just simply slips in there, just like that. No big deal, right? And then the collar, you're gonna notice there's these little notches right there. Well, if you look up here, you're gonna see a little notch. So you just gotta kind of get the collar on there and twist it, and it pops in there, and now it's set on there. Now, if you wanna aim your stuff at something, you can put this thing on. You can aim it up, or you can aim it to the side. You can aim it to the left side, or you're probably gonna aim it down into whatever bowl you have. Or you really don't have to use this. And then the last thing you'll see is tapered to the back. This is tapered to the back. And what it does is this is how you push the stuff down. Just like that. And that's it, man. That's your salad shooter right there. And we washed it a little bit. We didn't dry it. But we're going to try it out and see how she works on real food. Yes, that's what we're going to do.